Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take berberine for insulin resistance. Start with a lower dose, typically around 500 milligrams daily, and gradually increase it as tolerated. Take berberine with meals to minimize potential digestive upset and enhance absorption. Consistency is key for seeing benefits, so try to take it at the same times each day. Always consult your doctor before beginning any new supplement regimen. Taking berberine alongside meals helps reduce gastrointestinal side effects and improves its absorption. Consider a supplement with enhanced bioavailability if you experience issues. Spreading out your doses throughout the day can also be beneficial. This approach helps maintain more stable levels in your body, supporting its effectiveness in managing insulin resistance. While generally well tolerated, some people may experience mild digestive issues such as stomach cramps or diarrhea. It's crucial to speak with your healthcare provider before adding berberine to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. They can advise on potential interactions and ensure it's safe for you. Berberine works best as part of a comprehensive approach to managing insulin resistance. Remember to maintain a balanced diet and engage in consistent physical activity for optimal results. Regular checkups with your doctor are important to assess its effectiveness, monitor your health, and ensure continued safety, especially with long-term use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.